Brazos Portal is a new approach to BPM end-user task management. This video will help you get started using it with the assumption that your system administrator has already set up your BPM environment with Brazos Portal. When you first log into Brazos Portal, you will see a single gray group called Unfiltered, which contains all of your tasks that are overdue or due today. To see more tasks in your inbox, click on the date filter in the middle to switch to the days, weeks, or months view. Going forward, any task that doesn't fit any filter criteria will be placed in your unfiltered group. Let's create a new group by clicking the plus sign on the unfiltered group. After giving my group a name, I am ready to define the filter criteria that make up this group. Since I'm involved in multiple processes, my first filter will be based on the BPD name. This will allow me to separate my insurance claim tasks from other work. My second filter will be based on task priority. I want to give special attention to high priority insurance claims. I now see two groups, one that I created and one called Unfiltered. Notice how the top group picks out any tasks that fit the filter criteria I set, and the rest end up in Unfiltered. You can continue to add as many groups as you want, but remember, no task will show up more than once in your inbox. That means if a task is in the top group, it will not show up anywhere else. You can reorder your groups by dragging and dropping them. Notice that when other insurance claims is placed above high priority insurance claims, all of the tasks show up in other insurance claims and none of the tasks show up in high priority insurance claims, despite the fact that 3 of the claims are high priority. Let's get back to group creation. Once you have all of your filters set up the way you want them, you can customize the column data that shows up in each group. I like to leave the first column set to task subject, but if all of your task subjects are the same, you might want to change this column. For my other 2 columns, I will select business data specific to insurance claims, claim type, and claim billing price. Once you're finished creating your groups, you might see something like this. As I toggle through the date filter, notice the task totals and graphs update. I can also hover over sections of the task drive widget to preview the data in different groups, or I can click on a section to filter my inbox to that particular set of tasks. If I need to launch a new instance of a process, or open a startable service, I can click the play button next to the task drive widget. Similarly, if I want to launch a dashboard, I can click the dashboard icon below the play button. Let's not forget that Brazos Portal was built with mobile devices in mind. As I resize the screen, watch the content of the portal adjust accordingly. Brazos Portal is officially supported on iOS and Android devices, and should work on nearly any device with a modern mobile browser. Finally, let's take a look at our task management features. To launch a task, just click the task in your inbox. When you complete the task, it will disappear from your task list automatically. To view task and instance details, click the eye icon in your task list. This is also where you can take actions on a task, including reassignment and ad hoc actions. Thanks for trying Brazos Portal. If you have feedback, we'd love to hear from you at support@bp-3.com.